How to download Discord on PC or laptop. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to any of your favorite browser and simply search in for Discord download just like this. Let me quickly search in for Discord download for PC just like this. And once you search in for that, you will see the first link, just which is the official link of the Discord. And once inside here, you can see there's an option called download for Windows. So if you are using Windows, you can simply press on it just like this. So once you press on it, you just have to wait for a few seconds. Depending upon your internet connection, it will automatically download it. And as you can see, currently my .exe file has been successfully downloaded. So what you will need to do next is simply open the folder, or you can simply run the double click on this .exe files to run it. So I'll just run it. So as you can see, it's the application is currently being installed on my device. So once it gets installed, it will also automatically download all of the updates required, and you can simply log in with your account to get started with Discord application just like that. So that is it for today, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.